Want to send quick video messages on WhatsApp, just like voice messages? It's super easy and a great way to capture and share a video in no time. In this video, I'll show you how to send video messages on WhatsApp step by step. Let's dive in. So make sure to install the latest WhatsApp version for this. Older app versions do not have this feature. So once you make sure of that, open your WhatsApp, then go to the chat where you want to send an instant video message. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a camera icon in the text input field. You have to tap and hold this icon, and your instant video message will start recording. Once you let go of the icon, the video message will be sent instantly. Now during a video message, if you change your mind and don't want to send the video, simply swipe to the left holding the camera icon to cancel the video. It's a lot like sending an audio message on WhatsApp, but this time it's a video message. The recipient can replay the video as many times as they want, and the video message will play in a loop until the recipient taps to stop it. And that's it. Now you know how to use instant video message on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.